Hi. Hopefully today's going to be a nice quick one because it's a bit frosty and cold and we've got a brief moment of sunshine. So I just want to do a quick little advisory on my MOT. One of the things they checked on the MOT apparently was the fuel cap, this little seal around here. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but mine is slightly perished. So rather than just getting the seal, which is something that can be done, I think it was like £5 on to get direct from BMW. I got a eBay special Chinese knockoff that seems to fit, which was £7 and means that I don't have to fanny ass about replacing the seal. It does come with a connector so that I can have it dangle. So today's job is to replace this one with a new one. Hopefully it's going to be nice and simple. Now the first thing to do is this comes off and you see this cable connector here. It's actually hooked in here to the hinge point. And so what needs to happen is you need to hold it and then kind of push it off with your thumb so it slots out. And you can see, well, I'm hoping you can see, I might bring you in, there's a little slot just there. So you can see there's the little slot. Come on, focus. Little slot just in there that this end hooks into. So I've got the same hook set up here. So hopefully I should be able to just find it with my finger, and my word, this one's a bit harder to do. And slot it in, and that slots in, which then means this pushes in, it rotates through, and that is the whole job complete. And now off this comes, can dangle down. So that's the whole thing done. Cable's connected up, swapped across, it's a 30-second job, and I've got a better seal there. Now the only downside is this one has a click, so you don't over tighten it. This one, although it says turn till click, doesn't. So we'll see how we get on. But for now, that's another quick little job off my advisories list, and I can move on with everything. All right, thanks very much.